Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I think I figured it out. I'm using my favorite all-time glue, SupaBond. And what I did differently this time is I actually put it on and I let it sit for 10 minutes and then I adhered it. So I made sure that it was extremely tacky. I think in the past maybe I was just rushing it, but I definitely never let it sit no 10 minutes. But this time I did, and it looks good. It feels good. It doesn't have that old tacky feeling to it when I touch the perimeter of my bond. So, yeah, I think I got it, y'all. Anyway, here's a video. Enjoy.